Hey everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel, Kids Drawing Magic. Today, we're going to draw a cute tortoise, step by step. Grab your pencil and paper, and let's get started. Draw the tortoise's shell. Drawing a big round shape, like a circle or oval. Now, draw a small oval shape on one side of the shell for the head. Great job! Next, draw a small circle for the eye. Add a tiny dot inside for the pupil. Now draw the nose and a curved smile. Now let's draw the body. Nice work! Your tortoise is already looking cute. Let's add the legs. Now draw a small little tail at the back. Draw 4 short, slightly curved legs under the shell. Make them look strong and steady. Just a tiny curved line will do. Perfect! Great job! Let's decorate the shell. Draw small shapes like squares or hexagons on the shell. Awesome! Let's finish it up. This makes your tortoise look more real and interesting. Now draw highlights. Nice work! Your tortoise is already looking cute. Now it's time to color. Use green for the body and brown or dark green for the shell. You can also add grass or a background. Awesome job, everyone! Your tortoise looks amazing! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us. See you in the next video.